Field 7 ready. Cut steady.
Load full, straight to mill.
Freshly cut sugarcane is transported quickly to mills for sugar extraction.
Crush rate good, juice extraction high. Lime dose correct, syrup clear.
Clarification and evaporation concentrate sugarcane juice into syrup for Coca-Cola.
Crystals pure, molasses drained.
Centrifuging produces refined white sugar essential for Coca-Cola sweetness.
Moisture below 0.05%, ready for transport.
Dried sugar is palletized and prepared for delivery to Coca-Cola bottling plants.
High-grade rock, good yield today.
Phosphate rock is mined to produce phosphoric acid for Coca-Cola's tangy bite.
Acid concentration 85%, pure for Coca-Cola.
Wet process yields food-grade phosphoric acid for Coca-Cola flavor balance. Pods ripe.
High vanillin content.
Narrator: vanilla beans are carefully harvested to provide natural flavor notes in Coca-Cola.
Curing complete beans ready for extract.
Sugar load secure, keep dry for Coca-Cola syrup.
Refined sugar pallets are loaded into dry transport for delivery to Coca-Cola bottling.
Sugar batch en route. ETA bottling plant 4 hours.
Reliable truck transport delivers pure sugar essential for Coca-Cola sweetness.
Phosphoric acid arrives by rail, ready for final delivery to Coca-Cola production.
Phosphoric load inbound. Dock 5.
The final leg brings key ingredients to the heart of Coca-Cola bottling.
Cleared. Dock 5 for raw materials.
Coca-Cola raw batch here, move it inside clean.
Unloading begins the integration of raw materials into Coca-Cola production. Dust count low. Good clean entry. Narrator: air showers maintain the hygienic environment required for Coca-Cola safety.
Sugar white and dry. Batch accepted.
Rigorous receiving inspection ensures only perfect ingredients enter Coca-Cola lines.
Vanilla barrels good, no leaks.
Vanilla extract barrels are moved to blending for Coca-Cola's signature flavor.
Flow steady. Syrup mixing ready for Coca-Cola batch. Conveyors distribute ingredients to begin the transformation into Coca-Cola syrup.
Dawn shift starting. Gates opening.
This high-volume bottling plant produces millions of Coca-Cola bottles daily with precision and hygiene.
Another big shift. Syrup room today?
Yes.
Clear. Next, please.
Strict security and hygiene controls protect Coca-Cola quality at every step.
Suit feels clean, ready for syrup mixing. New batch today, let's keep it perfect.
The corridor leads to where ingredients become the iconic Coca-Cola beverage.
Sugar and acid arrived? Yes, mixing ready for Coca-Cola run.
Line 4 starting. Coca-Cola batch incoming.
Here in the main hall, Coca-Cola bottling lines run continuously with synchronized precision.
Syrup parameters stable, ready for carbonation. Real-time monitoring keeps every Coca-Cola batch consistent and perfect.
Feed rate good, syrup blending evenly.
Filter clean, syrup crystal clear.
Filtration and polishing ensure Coca-Cola syrup is pure and free of impurities.
BRIX 50, color perfect, Coca-Cola syrup approved.
Final sampling confirms the Coca-Cola syrup is ready for carbonation and bottling.
Transfer rate good, carbonator filling clean.
The Coca-Cola syrup is pumped forward for carbonation, while bottles prepare for filling.
Preforms clean, no defects, ready for blow molding.
PET preforms arrive and are inspected for perfect clarity before bottle forming.
Alignment good, reject rate low.
Female narrator. Vibratory sorting ensures only perfect Coca-Cola preforms advance to bottle forming.
Temp 110 degrees Celsius, preforms evenly heated. Hey. Infrared heating softens.
Stretch blow molding forms lightweight, strong PET bottles for Coca-Cola.
Cooling even, no deformation.
Cooling and trimming refine Coca-Cola bottles for hygienic filling.
Rinse clean, moisture zero.
Rinsing and air blow-off ensure Coca-Cola bottles are spotless before filling.
Defect rate 0.1%. Good bottles forward. Buffer full. Filler feeds steady.
Accumulation buffers ensure continuous, jam-free supply for Coca-Cola filling.
Bottles aligned, no tilt, filling ready. Final purge and alignment prepare Coca-Cola bottles for precise filling and carbonation.
Fill volume 500 ml exact. Carbonation holding.
High-speed rotary fillers precisely dispense carbonated Coca-Cola into bottles.
Caps torqued 1.2 Newton meters. Seal perfect.
Automated capping seals each Coca-Cola bottle with tamper-evident security.
Neck clean, no drips, ready for coating.
Neck rinsing ensures Coca-Cola bottles are pristine from top to bottom.
Code sharp, batch traceable.
Inkjet coating adds essential traceability to every Coca-Cola bottle. Level consistent. Caps sealed.
Automated inspection verifies Coca-Cola fill accuracy and cap security.
Low fill on bottle 47. Sending to rework. Narrator. Automated sorting removes any imperfect Coca-Cola bottles for correction.
Buffer full. Labeler feed constant. Accumulation buffers ensure uninterrupted flow for Coca-Cola labeling.
Surface clean, no dust, labels ready. Final air purge guarantees perfect label adhesion on Coca-Cola bottles.
Label roll loaded.
Red Classic ready.
Label reels are prepared for high-speed application to Coca-Cola bottles.
Alignment locked. Labeling ready for Coca.
Synchronized alignment brings Coca-Cola bottles and labels together for core labeling transformation.
Label alignment spot on, script centered.
High-speed wraparound labels transform plain bottles into iconic Coca-Cola packages.
Label smooth. No bubbles. Adhesion good.
Wipe down ensures Coca-Cola labels are flawless and securely bonded.
Code clear, permanent, and readable.
Laser coating adds essential date information directly to Coca-Cola labels.
Shrink tight, packs uniform.
Shrink bundling creates convenient Coca-Cola six-packs for retail handling.
Case 24 filled. Grid perfect.
Automated case packing organizes Coca-Cola bottles into sturdy shipping cartons.
Tape strong. Straps secure.
Sealing and strapping ensure Coca-Cola cases remain intact during transport.
Barcode sharp. Case traceable.
Precision labeling adds traceability to every Coca-Cola shipping case.
Layer stable, pallet building clean.
Robotic palletizing creates secure, stable pallets of Coca-Cola cases.
Wrap tight. Pallet protected.
Stretch wrapping shields Coca-Cola pallets for safe storage and shipment.
Band secure. Tag on. Pallet ready.
Final strapping and tagging complete the transformation of Coca-Cola into shippable pallets.
Layer pattern recognized, pick accuracy 100%. Robotic depalletizing handles Coca-Cola cases with precision and speed.
Tape secure, labels sharp, case pass. High-resolution vision systems inspect every Coca-Cola case from all angles for perfection.
Code depth perfect. Traceable globally.
NAR.
Laser recoding adds extra traceability to Coca-Cola pallets and cases.
Seal torque stable. No leaks.
Automated torque verification ensures Coca-Cola case seals remain secure.
RFID and barcode synced. Full traceability. Vibration testing simulates real-world transport to prove Coca-Cola case durability.
Batch 456 routed to export lane, yield 99.8%.
Intelligent routing synchronizes Coca-Cola pallets through final high-tech lines.
Automated restretching and checks ensure Coca-Cola pallets arrive intact. Wrap integrity 100%. Pallet good.
Load pattern complete, ready for dispatch.
Robotic grouping optimizes Coca-Cola pallets for efficient loading.
All pallets pass. Dispatch cleared. Final high-tech scanning gives complete approval before Coca-Cola pallets enter dispatch. Pallets staged, ready for final finishing.
The precision finishing lines transform Coca-Cola pallets into export-ready units.
Wrap overlaps good. No damage. Pallet pass. Detailed wrap and strap inspection ensures Coca-Cola pallets withstand transport.
Film tight, handles reinforced.
Reshrink bundling reinforces Coca-Cola multi-packs for retail durability.
Tape reinforced. Case sealed tight.
Precision tape resealing adds another layer of protection for Coca-Cola cases.
Interlock pattern good. Stack stable.
Overlap 60%. Pallet weatherproof.
Final stretch wrapping with reinforced overlap protects Coca-Cola pallets completely.
Corners protected, straps extra tight.
Corner boards and reinforcement strapping safeguard Coca-Cola pallet edges.
Manifest label on.
Destination clear.
NAR. Precision shipping labels finalize Coca-Cola pallet identification for logistics.
Weight 850 kilograms. Dimensions in spec.
Automated scanning verifies Coca-Cola pallet weight and size for safe transport.
Pallet staged. Truck 3 ready.
Precision finished Coca-Cola pallets now await final loading and global dispatch.
Sampling 1% per pallet, starting top, middle, bottom layers. Random sampling from every Coca-Cola pallet.
Labels crisp, no scratches. Fill looks even.
Open torque 1.1 millimeters. Seal and band intact.
Week 4 equivalent, no bulging, carbonation stable.
Stability ovens simulate months of shelf life to ensure Coca-Cola quality endures.
Cycle 12 complete. No distortion or leak.
Narration.
Thermal shock testing proves Coca-Cola bottle resilience in extreme conditions.
No breach. Label and cap held.
Drop testing simulates real-world accidents to validate Coca-Cola packaging durability.
X-ray and pressure testing confirm Coca-Cola fill accuracy and carbonation strength. Microbial count 0. BRIX/acid in spec.
Batch 789 cleared. Full QC approval.
Only pallets passing exhaustive testing receive final approval for Coca-Cola distribution.
Quality assured Coca-Cola pallets now transition to secure warehouse storage before global dispatch.
Pallet C19 secured. Inventory updated. Quality approved Coca-Cola pallets are stored systematically in the high bay warehouse.
Batch 789 logged, ready for order fulfillment.
Digital scanning ensures accurate tracking of every Coca-Cola pallet in storage.
Order for Middle East confirmed. Count matches. Picked pallets of Coca-Cola moved to the dispatch staging zone for global shipment.
Wrap tight. Labels good. Ready for container.
First row secure, next pallet coming.
Coca-Cola pallets are carefully loaded into climate-controlled containers for safe transit.
Dispatched, ETA port 4 hours.
From bottling plant to the world, Coca-Cola leaves ready for consumers everywhere.
And this is how modern factories produce Coca-Cola from start to finish.
Thank you for watching the journey of Coca-Cola.
Subscribe my channel for more real factory breakdown videos.